Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to purchase Amazon Prime Video membership. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's go to the App Store and install the Prime Video. Now after doing that, you can sign into your account if you already have, and if you don't, you just create an account right here. Just provide these informations. Now after that, you can just choose the profile and then click any movies or shows that you want to watch and just click this watch with Prime and just continue to your subscription, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.